Hello, we're Bruce and Marianne Curtis, the founders of Living Foods USA. This company emerged as part of our journey in holistic health.
17 years ago, I started my journey in Chinese medicine and Oriental medical theory, and interrelationship focusing and Jin Shin Jitsu, and coming full circle into bioresonance therapy.
And some 30 years ago, I began to explore the future of medicine as part of the emerging dialogue of science and religion. And in that process, I was privileged to evaluate many different medical devices, new bioresonance equipment, information medical systems. And together, we were brought into collaboration, Marianne and I, in the work of Liebert Publishing as part of the editorial office for the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine,
which I served for 3 years as managing editor and currently as consulting editor.
And myself as associate editor, staying on the editorial board at this time. And in the process of this work with the journal, we were privileged to encounter many different therapies, including much in the field of nutrition. And in that journey, we encountered remarkable foods. For example, this food from Australia that we've been importing was the world's original fermented whole food probiotic. With 13 lactobacilli and 2 Saccharomyces, it's truly one of the broadest spectrum probiotics in the market today. And physicians such as Dr. David Brownstein have commented that they regard it highly as the most effective probiotic available.
We also have become known for the finest green barley grass available from New Zealand. It's the freshest, it's the most nutritious, and it's preferred by doctors as well. Dr. Sherry Rogers actually mentions it in her newsletters about a perfect way to detoxify your body. In fact, 3 to 6 tablespoons a day.
Today we're here to talk to you about a new line of products that we're very excited about. True food state vitamin and mineral supplements and some herbal combination formulas. We call them food state biologics. So what exactly is a food state nutrient? Very simply put, food state is renatured, not denatured. Renatured means that through biological processes rather than chemical processes, all of the critical delivery factors are present. All of the nutrient vectors are there for easy assimilation. The cell can recognize the nutrient. And so we represent with the Grow Nutrient products that original food state formula, that food state process created by Andrew Zale. So to finally sum it up, a renatured or true food state nutrient is the closest thing to food itself.
We are highlighting at the symposium Carashil. Our food state biologics Carashil is actually B vitamins with a little bit of true ginkgo biloba and ginseng that crosses the blood-brain barrier, which helps with nourishing the neurons, that helps with depression, worry, anxiety, sleeplessness. We're also seeing that it's beneficial for the eyes, for memory-related, age-related memory issues, and also helps to utilize the glucose out of the muscles. And so therefore it's good for raising the kidney qi and helping the energy in general as well.
In fact, we have a chart that explains exactly how this works, showing the higher presence of glucose over a longer period of time because the glucose is phosphorylated. And just like the B vitamins, the selenium, the beta-carotene, the vitamin E, all of these elements being phosphorylated means they're able to pass the blood-brain barrier. Another key factor in Carashil is its ability to provide energy and allow glycogen to be produced while bypassing the lactic acid stage, which means more efficient use of the body's energy resources, more efficient use of sugars. This simple diagram shows how glucose fuels the inner core with the synthesis of protein, cell growth, and multiplication. We see the Carashil nutrients, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are all taken into the core. So Carashil, in addition to providing good energy for the brain, actually helps in terms of making more efficient the whole ATP process.
So in addition to the Carashil, we have a complete line of food state vitamins and minerals and herbal complexes.
Foremost among these are our yeast-based selenium and our GTF chromium, both derived from Saccharomyces cerevisiae, These represent a true renaturing process, and the reason why this type of selenium is not toxic as many isolates are. And in addition, the GTF chromium has been reported by many clients to really help them to balance their blood sugar. And this, again, the ideal form of chromium that many diabetics look to help with their condition. So how is it that these nutrients are so different from everything else on the market? Well, let's take a moment to visit the history of this process, which was really designed by Andrew Szalay. Andy was a pharmacy student in Hungary over 50 years ago when he had the opportunity to hear the great Nobel laureate Albert Szent-Györgyi lecture on his discoveries of vitamin C, its effectiveness with scurvy, and the importance of whole food products, including having all of the delivery cofactors present. So Andy decided that this was really a solution, and he followed Dr. Szent-Györgyi around, absorbing everything he possibly could. He came to the United States 50 years ago and decided he was going to find a way to make these nutrients available to people, and he founded Grow Incorporated. So we have for you, if you simply contact us, we have information about the Grow products made here in the United States, the next generation of nutritional science, already reputed to be the industry standard. We have also peer-reviewed papers. If you would like to have the citations, we would be glad to furnish them. In this case, the studies are done with our products. The very products that you can use with your patients are the products used in the studies. So we don't substitute a pure ingredient and then give our product for sale. And so with the Grow nutrients, we are very proud to present what physicians in England and France have been reporting for over 10 years to be the most effective nutritional supplements available. We're very proud to present and offer to you Food State Biologics. So simply contact us through the website by clicking on this at the integrativepractitioner.com. Come visit us at www.livingfoodsusa.com. We're happy to supply you with any peer-reviewed papers, citations, information about our products, and we'd like to help you get started with your patients right away.
We're happy to consult with you regarding our products. Call us with any of your questions, email us, however you'd like to contact us. Give us a call today. Thanks for your time.